When people hear Avalanche, they often think about one thing: AVAX, the token, the price, the investment. But Avalanche was designed around a bigger idea. What if companies, applications, and financial systems needed their own blockchain environment? What if one blockchain was not enough? This is where Avalanche takes a different approach. It is not only about owning a cryptocurrency, it is about building digital infrastructure. So the real questions become: what is Avalanche? Why does AVAX exist? How is it different from Ethereum and Solana? And for foreigners living in Indonesia, how does AVAX connect with exchanges, banking, and the local financial system? Because buying a token is simple, understanding the ecosystem behind it is where things become interesting. The first mistake people make is treating Avalanche and AVAX as the same thing. They are connected, but they are different. Avalanche is the blockchain platform, the infrastructure, the environment where applications and custom blockchain networks can operate. AVAX is the native token powering that ecosystem. It is used for transaction fees, staking, and network operations. Avalanche build a hub. This distinction matters. A token can be traded. A network can create an ecosystem. The value proposition comes from understanding both. The early blockchain industry faced a major challenge. Many applications were trying to operate on the same infrastructure. More users created more demand. More demand created pressure. Avalanche approached this problem differently. Instead of imagining one blockchain handling everything, Avalanche focuses on scalable and customizable blockchain environments. Avalanche. The idea: different applications may need different systems. A financial application may have different requirements from a gaming platform. An enterprise solution may have different needs from a public application. One size does not always fit everyone. A surprising lesson from technology: humans keep building universal solutions, then discover reality refuses to behave universally. One reason Avalanche is technically interesting is its architecture. The Avalanche primary network includes three main chains: the X chain, the P chain, and the C chain. Avalanche build a hub. Each serves a different purpose. The C chain supports smart contracts and is compatible with Ethereum virtual machine technology. The P chain manages validators and Avalanche network operations. The X chain handles Avalanche native assets. Avalanche build a hub. For everyday users, this creates an important lesson. A crypto asset is not only about the coin. The network structure behind it affects how assets move, which wallets support it, which platforms interact with it, and how users manage transactions. Comparing Avalanche with Ethereum and Solana is common, but the comparison is not simply about finding a winner. Each network emphasizes different ideas. Ethereum became one of the largest smart contract ecosystems. Solana focused heavily on speed and transaction efficiency. Avalanche focuses on scalability, interoperability, and customizable blockchain environments. Avalanche support. The important question is not which blockchain is the best. The better question: which blockchain fits the purpose? Technology is not only a competition, it is a design decision. For foreigners in Indonesia, AVAX creates the same challenge as many global digital assets. The blockchain is international. Your financial environment is local. You may hold AVAX through a private wallet, an international platform, or an Indonesian crypto provider. But when digital assets connect with Indonesia, additional questions appear. Which platform? Which regulated provider? How do you convert into rupiah? How does it connect with banking? How do you manage local financial needs? The token is global. The practical decisions are local. Avalanche is designed for efficient transactions, but speed does not remove responsibility. Users still need to understand the correct token, the correct network, the correct wallet, the correct destination. A blockchain transaction follows instructions. It does not understand your intention. If a user sends assets incorrectly, the network does not know that a mistake happened. Technology can process transactions. It cannot replace human attention. For many foreigners, the important question is not, can I buy AVAX? The more practical question is, how does AVAX fit into my financial life in Indonesia? That may involve access through regulated crypto providers, understanding exchange options, managing rupiah liquidity, maintaining transaction records, and connecting digital assets with Indonesia's financial infrastructure. Digital assets do not operate separately from the real world. They interact with it. This is where Sungazer Live helps. For foreigners, the challenge is rarely only purchasing AVAX. The bigger challenge is understanding the complete financial pathway. Which crypto provider? Which exchange route? How does digital asset ownership connect with Indonesian banking? How does international wealth interact with Indonesia's financial system? Sungazer Live operates as a digital asset aggregator, connecting clients with more than 4 registered crypto exchanges in Indonesia. Instead of depending on one platform, clients can understand different available routes within Indonesia's regulated crypto ecosystem. But digital assets are only one part of the picture. Sungazer Live also helps eligible foreign clients navigate the broader Indonesian financial environment, including digital asset access, crypto exchange options, banking connections, rupiah liquidity, and practical financial navigation. Because owning AVAX is only the beginning. The real question is what you need that asset to do. Avalanche represents a different vision of blockchain, not only a digital asset, but an infrastructure platform, a network designed for applications, businesses, and financial systems. But technology does not exist in isolation. Regulation matters, banking matters, local financial systems matter. For foreigners in Indonesia, understanding AVAX means understanding both sides, the blockchain and the environment where you use it. If you hold AVAX or other digital assets and need guidance navigating regulated crypto access, Indonesian banking, local liquidity, or the connection between digital assets and your financial life, consult Sungazer Live. Sungazer Live, helping international clients navigate digital assets and financial access in Indonesia.